Can you see yourself in the 2020 INFINITI QX60? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Take a moment to view this family-friendly INFINITI QX60, the premium three-row luxury SUV that prioritizes comfort, safety, and performance so you can make the most of your time on the road. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, third row seat, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer. Feel eager for road trip adventures in this superbly crafted QX60. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.